The global shift towards sustainable packaging is moving faster than ever. As plastic bans tighten worldwide, businesses are facing a massive surge in demand for high-quality paper bags. But how do you scale your production while keeping labor costs low? Enter the KY-1100B, the ultimate fully automatic paper bag making machine designed and engineered by Kylin Machines. Built for non-stop industrial output, this powerhouse operates at a market-leading speed of up to 60 meters per minute, turning raw material into finished products in a single automated pass. Precision is everything. The KY-1100B features an advanced dual adhesive system, allowing operators to seamlessly switch between water-based cold glue and high-performance hot melt glue systems. This ensures airtight, flawless bonding on every single square bottom fold, reducing material waste to near zero. Music playing high-speed machine demo. Versatility is built right into its DNA. Whether you are producing standard Kraft grocery bags or thick, premium 300 GSM luxury shopping bags, this platform handles widths from 180 to 410 millimeters effortlessly. Its smart automation adjusts quickly to different paper weights, giving your factory maximum product flexibility. Industrial-grade precision production demo. At Kylin Machines, quality is non-negotiable. With over 20 years of manufacturing excellence and thousands of global installations, every machine is built to strict ISO 9001 standards and backed by our industry-leading 3-year warranty, alongside lifetime remote technical support. Ready to dominate the packaging market and maximize your factory's ROI. Contact Kylin Machines today via WhatsApp or email to get your custom factory direct quote. Let's build the future of sustainable packaging together.